Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing USDT from your Tangem wallet to your Trezor wallet. This step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward, so you can handle your transfers with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, ensure you have both wallets set up. Your Tangem wallet should have USDT in it, and your Trezor wallet needs to be connected to a compatible device or app. Double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any risks. Crypto security is no joke. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. Navigate to the main dashboard where you can see your assets. Look for USDT in your portfolio and select it. This will bring up your balance and transfer options. Next, hit the Withdraw or Send button. Depending on the app's interface in 2025, it might be labeled differently, but it's usually straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. That's where your Trezor wallet comes in. Copy the USDT address from your Trezor device or its companion app. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent any accidental sends to the wrong place. Once you've pasted the address, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Make sure to check for any network fees, as these can vary based on blockchain congestion. Then, review the transaction details carefully. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer using your Tangem Wallet's security features, like biometric authentication or a PIN. Now, sit back and wait. Transactions on the blockchain, especially for USDT on networks like Tron or Ethereum, can take a few minutes to a few hours. Once it's confirmed, head over to your Trezor wallet to see your USDT arrive. Awesome job! A quick word of caution: always use official apps and keep your wallets updated to protect against scams. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I've got your back.